咁咧，我哋今年就開始講新制啦，咁就2B 嘅卷咧係考2個鐘零30分鐘嘅，咁就會將 Introduction to Management 嘅題目咧都擺埋落去 Paper 2B 個內考。咁所以你會見到咧喺今年開始嘅marking 嘅 explanation 入邊咧，嗰啲問題咧係會包咗 Introduction to Management 嘅題目嘅。咁我哋先去睇第一條先。咁第一條今次咧就係講呢一個嘅 organizing 啊，你會見到係 OK。咁就講 departmentalization 嘅部分啦。咁就佢就問你the form of the departmentalization currently adopted。咁即係好明顯係會有機會會轉啦，咁我就問你現在個 form 係啲咩？咁現在個 form 咧，你見到就係佢話而家咧就分開4個 department，咁就有 marketing 啦、operation、HR 啦同埋 finance。咁針對清嘅同學應該都知道咧，應該係 departmentalization by function 嘅，應該係咪？因為你見到有嗰個嘅嗰啲 key business function 喺一邊啦，咁佢就問啦而家想你轉喎，就譬如你 support 2個 reason， 就話轉做新嘅一個嘅 form of departmentalization 就係一個 new form 啦，你應該。咁new form 係啲咩啊？咁佢就話啦business consultant 咧就 suggest 就話不如你 reorganizing 個 departments based on the region of operation。咁即係其實佢轉做個 new form 咧，就而家就係 by location 啦。咁究竟by location 嚟講，咁究竟會有啲咩嘅 reason，即係點解會轉咧？咁有個好處啦。咁舊時嚟講咧，就淨係試過問嗰個 format 嘅啫，即係問 departmentalization 嘅 form 啦，譬如 by function、by location 或者 by product 啦，應該你學嘅呢3種。咁就比較少問，應該冇問過個點解嘅啫，或者嗰個好處。咁所以今次係一個新，都係叫個新嘅題目。咁A 部分就頭先講咗啦 ，departmentalization by function 啦，唔好串作 function 嗰度攞分嘅。咁你個 reason 嗰度咧就係2個啦，咁所以你見到就係每一個 reason 就2分。咁當然你見到就如果你要做嘅時候咧，咁就小心啦。咁就小心嘅部分係咩咧？就係要俾個解釋啊。今次比較難度，我覺得同學嚟講比較難係講嗰個 reason 係有啲難嘅，因為你可能會知道咧，最簡單即係每個地方咧都應該係有佢哋嗰個嘅唔同嘅 needs 嘅，咁所以 needs of different regions 我相信應該都可能講到，或者咁但係個情況就係講完之後咁點解釋咧？咁呢個反而我覺得係嗰個難點啦，即係究竟嗰個 elaboration 上面或者做翻個 application 去翻今次嗰個嘅 case， 佢係講緊一個嘅 theme park 嚟嘅，應該係啦。咁究竟點樣可以去做到個 application 咧？咁樣咁係啦。咁所以呢個我覺得係難點係在於嗰個 application， 即係做個 application 嗰部分。咁但係除咗唔同地方有唔同嘅 needs 之外咧，咁同埋就唔同地方佢哋嗰個 market change 都係會唔同。咁如果你係跟住嗰個地區去走嘅時候咧，可以 quicker response 啊。咁最尾就係比較準確去 measure 翻究竟嗰間每個地區嗰個 theme park 嘅 performance 啊，係咪？咁做到呢啲嘅時候咧，好多時就我都建議學生去諗翻一啲實際日常生活例子，譬如舉個例即係問 theme park，可能大家都會諗到迪士尼呢一個嘅品牌啦，係咪？咁所以今次咧，我覺得有啲地方咧，大家係可以去學習嘅，譬如就係話根據嗰個 elaboration 嗰度點樣去做啊，即係邊一個部分咧，即係我而家框住呢一個位啦。咁我都建議大家咧可以去留意去睇翻嘅，即係呢一個位。咁就譬如話佢講緊個 needs 咁樣啦，即係講個 needs 點樣去 cater for 個不同地區嘅 needs 嘅需要。咁你就諗個 needs 其實係啲乜咧？即係究竟呢一個位個 needs 其實係啲咩咧？咁你可以諗原來個 needs 就係當地一啲culture啊或者 preference。咁即係可能你要俾一啲嘅例子啊，譬如可能話即係舉個例子，你個 theme park 可能係喺內地嘅 mainland 嘅，咁究竟佢哋嘅文化係點嘅咧？咁可能咁又或者開喺Japan 嘅，或者開喺 USA， 咁佢哋有啲咩唔同嘅一啲 cultural 上面嘅一啲唔同啊？譬如 Japan 咁可能 係啦，可能會有一啲佢哋當地一啲嘅cartoon 嘅 OK，咁譬如可能開喺內地嘅，咁喺啲節日 festival 係會比較中意啲紅色嘅，譬如可能係講緊Lunar New Year 咁樣。咁第二就係適應當地嗰個嘅唔同嘅需要啦，你都回應嗰個 market change 咁樣。咁個 market change 可能都係需要去講一啲 market change 嘅例子，或者佢對於個 sensitivity 敏感度呢個字啊 ，OK sensitivity 啊，係會高啲嘅 OK。咁即係 sensitivity 嗰個 market change 啊。咁可能呢度點樣去講嗰個回應嗰個變化咧？即係我可能突然間諗起就譬如可能有一啲地方佢係有一啲 new 嘅一啲新嘅 trend 啦，可能係 OK。譬如可能係一啲食物，又或者可能係中意一啲嘅玩意啊 OK。咁可能呢啲 trend 都係一啲喺當地嘅先知嘅咁同埋對下一個部分就係嗰個 measurement 嗰個部分咧，即係嗰個assessment。咁你喺當地就會攞到當地嗰啲嘅一啲嘅唔同嘅表現啦。咁可能數據或者對於個 campaign 啊，嗰啲 satisfaction rate，咁可能呢啲都有啲 measurement 可以去寫嘅 OK。等等啦 ，OK， 呢都係一啲measurement 嘅表現 OK。咁就所以咧就譬如好似呢個考生咁樣，佢就話更加容易 expense， 咁佢都俾咗個例子啦。譬如去 Japan、去France、去新加坡，咁佢都係諗起啲主題樂園咯。我相信係啦。咁佢就因為不同地方嘅人咧，不同 region 都有不同嘅needs 嘅，咁佢講到，咁佢就 better manage 啦，咁樣，咁所以就好過單獨整體咁樣去睇啦，咁樣，咁佢都嘗試去俾咗啲，至少你會見到有一啲地區，咁當然如果係再寫得好啲嘅時候，就會講到唔同地區有啲咩嘅 needs，咁咪再講，咁個例子上面就更加之嘅豐富啦，你會見到，咁至少我諗相信呢度佢一定係有一分嘅，因為攞到cater for 個 needs of different region。咁但係你個 elaboration 嗰度就唔係好見到有呢個部分。咁第二個部分咧，就你見到呢個考生佢再寫嘅時候，應該都同一個人嚟嘅。咁你見到字跡都相似，咁就有each location 就 require different resources to provide better amusement service to target audience。咁呢個就咁，然之後佢再講啦，把乜 reorganizing 都講 between 咁so as to provide better service to the target audience, so as to utilize resource efficiently achieve the goal。咁其實坦白講啦，因為大家都冇見過呢一個嘅答法嘅，咁大家答嘅都係憑當其時佢有嘅學已有嘅知識去答啦。咁所以見到佢咧就話呢個咧就係話俾咗 relevant reason for 個 market change。咁但係你問我再去睇入邊究竟有啲咩嘅 change 嘅時候咧，其實就唔好特別講得到嘅。不過至少你會見到佢會有嗰個better service 呢個字啦，咁或者 utilize 個 resources more efficiently 呢啲字眼啦，咁就都係幫到你講到明俾你聽，其實就係佢想要有一啲嘅改變啦，係啦，咁呢啲改變嘅源頭就係嚟自於因為大家對於嗰個 audience 嘅 needs 都係有唔同嘅，係啦。